Croczilla. Croczilla is the nickname given to extraordinarily large saltwater crocodiles that have been documented in captivity and in the wild, representing what happens when crocodilian genetics and ideal conditions combine to produce something truly alarming. The saltwater crocodile is already the largest living reptile on Earth, but certain individuals grow so far beyond average size that they seem to belong to a different category entirely. The most famous example was Lolong, a captive saltwater crocodile in the Philippines that measured over 20 feet long and weighed more than 2,300 pounds before his death in 2013. These extreme individuals develop proportionally massive heads, thicker armored bodies, and bite forces that no other living animal can match. They represent the absolute upper ceiling of what a crocodilian body can become. Blizzard-bearded dragon. The blizzard-bearded dragon is a selectively bred reptile hybrid created through years of careful captive breeding. By combining multiple recessive genetic mutations in the bearded dragon, a popular Australian lizard kept widely as a pet. A standard bearded dragon has a tan or brown patterned body with spiny scales along its sides and throat. The blizzard morph strips all of that away, producing an animal with pure white or pale gray skin, no pattern, and dark or pale eyes depending on the specific genetic combination involved. They are completely captive bred and would not survive in the wild. They are prized in the exotic pet trade and can sell for hundreds of dollars. They represent how dramatically selective breeding can alter the appearance of a reptile within just a few generations. Leucistic king cobra. The leucistic king cobra is one of the rarest and most visually striking reptile variations ever documented. Leucism is a genetic condition that reduces all pigmentation across the skin, producing an animal that appears almost entirely white or pale cream while retaining normally colored eyes, which distinguishes it from true albinism. The king cobra is already the longest venomous snake in the world, capable of reaching 18 feet in length and delivering enough venom in a single bite to kill an elephant. A leucistic individual carries all of that lethality inside a body that looks completely otherworldly. These animals are extraordinarily rare in the wild, where their lack of camouflage makes survival extremely difficult, and they are highly sought after in captive collections. Albino alligator. The albino alligator is one of the most visually dramatic genetic variations found in any large reptile species. True albino alligators are born without any melanin pigmentation, giving them a striking white or pale yellow skin color with pink eyes that glow under light. They are extraordinarily rare in nature, with fewer than 100 confirmed individuals known to exist worldwide. In the wild, an albino alligator would almost certainly not survive past its first few weeks. Their white skin provides zero camouflage in the murky swamps and wetlands where American alligators live, making them immediately visible to predators while they are young and vulnerable. Almost every known albino alligator lives in captivity, where several have become major attractions at zoos and aquariums across the United States. Axanthic ball python. The axanthic ball python is a captive-bred genetic morph of the ball python, one of the most popular pet snakes in the world. Axanthism is a genetic mutation that removes all yellow and red pigmentation from the skin while leaving black, white, and gray tones completely intact. The result is a snake that looks like a beautifully detailed black and white photograph of a ball python, with crisp, silvery scales and dark patterning that appears almost artificially precise. Ball pythons in the wild are found across West and Central Africa, where their patterned brown and gold coloring provides effective camouflage on the forest floor. The axanthic morph would be instantly visible in that environment. In captivity, however, it has become one of the most foundational morphs used to produce increasingly complex and valuable designer snakes. Paradox tortoise. The paradox tortoise is an extraordinarily rare and visually baffling genetic phenomenon that occasionally appears in captive tortoise breeding programs. A paradox animal carries two completely different genetic expressions in different cells of its body, producing patches of dramatically contrasting color or pattern that appear seemingly at random across its shell and skin. A single tortoise might display one half of its shell in normal rich brown and tan tones, while the other half appears almost entirely white or unpigmented, with no clear boundary or symmetrical pattern between the two zones. The scientific explanation involves chimerism or somatic mutation during early embryonic development. Each paradox animal is completely unique. No two look remotely alike, which makes them among the most individually distinctive reptiles in any captive collection anywhere in the world. Caiman Lizard. The Caiman lizard is a real and genuinely extraordinary reptile found across the river systems of South America, particularly in the flooded forests and slow-moving waterways of the Amazon basin. It earns its name from its heavily armored back, which is covered in raised rectangular scales that look almost identical to the scaly ridges running down the back of a caiman. It grows up to 4 feet in length and has a muscular, laterally flattened tail built for powerful swimming. Its jaws are short and rounded with flattened rear teeth, perfectly shaped for crushing the hard shells of the freshwater snails and mussels it eats. Its coloring is a striking combination of bright green body and vivid reddish-orange head that makes it look almost designed by someone who wanted maximum visual impact. Tiger reticulated python. The tiger reticulated python is a captive-bred morph of the reticulated python, the longest snake species on Earth, capable of exceeding 20 feet in length and weighing over 200 pounds. Wild reticulated pythons have a complex gold, black, and white geometric pattern running the full length of their body. The tiger morph dramatically alters this by replacing the intricate net-like pattern with bold, irregular dark stripes against a lighter background, giving the snake an appearance that closely resembles the coat of a tiger. These animals are produced through selective breeding in captivity and require experienced handlers due to the sheer physical size and strength of the base species involved. They are among the most visually imposing snakes in any private or institutional reptile collection. Hybrid iguana. The hybrid iguana is the result of interbreeding between different iguana species, something that occurs naturally in areas where the ranges of species like the green iguana and the lesser Antillean iguana overlap, and also happens frequently in captive collections where different species are sometimes housed together irresponsibly. Hybrid iguanas can display a blended mix of physical traits from both parent species, including intermediate head shapes, unusual scale patterns, and mixed coloring that does not match either parent cleanly. In the Caribbean, hybridization between invasive green iguanas and native lesser Antillean iguanas is now considered a serious conservation threat. The hybrids are fertile and breed freely, gradually diluting the genetic integrity of the native species in ways that could eventually make the pure native iguana impossible to find in the wild. Double-headed snake. The double-headed snake is not a separate species or a deliberate hybrid, but rather a rare developmental abnormality called bicephaly that occasionally occurs across many snake species in both the wild and in captivity. A bicephalic snake has 2 fully formed heads sharing a single body, each head containing its own brain, sensory organs, and independent behavioral responses. This creates extraordinary and often fatal problems for the animal. The 2 heads may fight each other over food, attempt to swallow each other, or try to move in conflicting directions simultaneously. Most bicephalic snakes do not survive long in the wild, but in captivity with dedicated care, some have lived for years. They are among the most startling and genuinely freakish biological anomalies documented in the reptile world. Mosaic Chameleon. The mosaic chameleon is a term used to describe rare individual chameleons born with a genetic chimerism that gives their color-changing cells an unusual and unpredictable baseline. Normal chameleons change color in response to temperature, mood, and social signaling, using specialized cells called chromatophores arranged in precise layers beneath their skin. A mosaic individual has patches of chromatophores with different baseline programming, meaning different sections of their body may respond differently to the same stimulus, producing a fragmented patchwork display of colors that does not correspond to any single emotional or physical state. These animals are exceptionally rare and are considered highly unusual, even by specialist chameleon breeders who have worked with hundreds of individual animals across decades of experience. Piebald ball python. The piebald ball python is one of the most visually stunning genetic morphs ever produced in captive reptile breeding. Piebalding is a genetic mutation that causes random sections of the skin to produce no pigmentation at all, resulting in a snake that is partially patterned with the normal rich brown and gold of a wild ball python and partially pure white, with the boundary between the 2 zones following no predictable or symmetrical path. Every piebald ball python is unique. The ratio of white to patterned skin varies from animal to animal, with some individuals being almost entirely white with just a small patch of pattern near the head, and others displaying equal zones of both. First produced reliably in captivity in the 1990s, the piebald morph became one of the most influential and widely bred mutations in the entire history of the exotic reptile hobby.